So also one more skill everyone has to know it. It's the search documentation, and it's basically the best friend for every MATLAB programmer. Because okay, search documentation, we wouldn't know rand, or maybe it's new for us. What if I just wrote rand in the search documentation? I press enter. Here we go, gonna give me MATLAB documentation. I can go to rand, uniformly distributed random numbers. I can go inside, they're gonna give me different examples. So it's search documentation is very, very helpful for any function you don't know, or for anything you need to check on or to go more in depth on. Or there is another tab, I can just write help and rand. Rand now it's variable, that's why it's pink. And if I press run, yes, so it has to run like all the code. So what we can do, let's see now, control C, and let's introduce one more tool, which is double percent symbol. What's the double percent symbol and what's this line? This actually is section break. So if I wanna now press run, it's gonna run just help rand, and it will ignore all of this just by 2%. So let's write here help technique, or like any help. So if I press run now, it's loading. Here we go. In the command window, it gave me everything I should know about rand. Same thing, random is uniformly distributed random numbers it return, and it goes in depth of what rand is. So yeah, those two tips should be your guys' best friend, whether search documentation or just help and anything you want to know about it. Okay, I want to return back to the double percentage sign. As we said, it's just like section break, or it's very helpful, as like right now when we saw this, like if I just want to run a specific line or code, so I will just do 2% 2% signs and start writing. Or there is another option, like if I just remove this section break, this button, if I press it right now, it's gonna like make section break, and I can put title on this, which is like rand function. And yeah, it's gonna just run this help rand and ignore all of this. What this benefits me, it's gonna benefits me if I have a bug or an error in my code, and I wanna know which line has the error, like this line or this line. So I can run each line by 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 itself, and then we're gonna see, okay, is this the error came from this line or the error came from another line. So that's why it's very helpful.